Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Columbus, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are going to unpack a phrase we hear almost every day. I want a low-maintenance deck. If you are tired of constant upkeep or just want to know what to expect from different materials, this episode is for you. First, it helps to understand that every deck needs some attention. Leaves, dirt, and pollen will land on the surface no matter what it is made of. Fasteners can loosen, and joints need occasional checks. Low maintenance does not mean you never have to touch your deck. It means the work is simpler and less frequent. With a wood deck, low maintenance is harder to achieve. Wood needs regular sealing or staining to protect against moisture and UV rays. If that work gets skipped, boards can warp, crack, and rot faster. For some homeowners who enjoy hands-on projects, this routine is acceptable. For others, it quickly becomes too much. Composite decking changes that equation. Composite boards are designed to resist many of the issues that affect wood. You still need to wash the deck periodically, but you are not sanding and staining every couple of years. Composite options from brands like Fiberon are made to resist surface rot and insect damage, which can greatly reduce long-term repair work. Railings, stairs, and trim also matter. If you choose low-maintenance decking but keep high-maintenance railings, you have only solved part of the problem. Using materials that do not need frequent painting or sealing can simplify care for the whole structure. Good lighting and drainage details can also prevent issues like slippery surfaces or standing water that create extra work. Climate plays a role too. In Columbus, decks see heat, cold, snow, and rain. Materials that handle expansion, contraction, and moisture well will usually require less attention. A thoughtful design that considers sun exposure and water runoff will also help your deck age more gracefully. If you want help choosing materials and designs that truly fit your idea of low maintenance, you can reach our team at 614-412-4686 or visit toughdeckbuilderscolumbus.com to talk about your project. At Tough Deck Builders Columbus, we focus on building decks that are realistic to care for, so you spend more time using your outdoor space and less time working on it. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Columbus. If this episode helped you better understand what low maintenance really means, share it with someone planning a new deck, and join us next time for more practical outdoor living guidance.